Hi, I wanted to put this video together just to kind of show my herm system and one of the problems that I had with the recirculation and how I solved it. So right now you can see my boil kettle, the herms kettle with the coil in it, and soon when the mash water and the whatnot are ready to go, we'll have the mash kettle. So one of the problems I was running into is when I was recirculating the mash water through the coil back into the mash tun, is it was punching holes in the mash bed. I had my pump wide open, and basically it's driving a hole through that process into the bottom of the bed. And I was figuring that basically the wort was being pulled down through that hole and only that one spot, rather than trying to go through the entire grain bed to maintain my temperature. And that's my controller right there. So I had some parts laying around and hoses, CPVC. So I picked up some T's and made a manifold. And basically what this lets me do is open the pump up wide open. This sits right on top of the bed, and it doesn't cause any holes in the mash bed. So I'll put it together here. Come back in a second. Okay, I'm back. Okay, so this is the four pieces that I put back together, or put together rather, and basically forms a loop with one of the T's having a little chunk of CPVC to connect your hose that comes out of the herms kettle. And that's it. It basically open up the pump wide open. The flow of the wort will come out of the other three hoses, the other three T's rather, and it'll keep your mash bed flat. All right, peace out.